Hey everyone, this is Marjory Wildcraft with the Grow Network, and I am so happy today to be with Katrina Blair, she's my mentor in wild foods, one of them, amazing woman, author of the book 13 Wild Weeds. And these weeds grow everywhere. So anybody, anywhere, desert Southwest, if you live next to Santa Claus, you're going to find these weeds.
It's true, even in Finland.
And don't you love her? Don't you love her hairstyle? I'm like,
Yes.
Katrina, I should have done that.
Someone just made me this lovely crown.
So a student was asking, I'm here at a wonderful weekend workshop with Katrina, and if you ever get a chance to do a workshop with Katrina, just do it. Cancel everything else and go. And one of the students said to you, hey Katrina, like from all your knowledge of wild edible plants, and especially the 13, what would you say does that translate into as the biggest impact in your life?
Yeah, I feel incredibly wealthy because I know these wild plants are growing all over, no matter where I go, where I travel. I have this incredible wealth of food and medicine right around me. So there's just this feeling of being at ease with the world and feeling relaxed and more generous because I know I'm filled up, I have what I need. So there is just this feeling of connection, and belonging.
So you never have to worry. You've always got
I get
food.
to not worry, that's right.
You've got food sources and nutrition, which is actually a bigger deal today. Yeah.
Right. It's true. The nutrition that we get from these wild plants that grow around us where we live is far superior from anything we could buy in the supermarket. So when you know that, you don't even need money to get the exchange. You just have to give your appreciation and your knowledge and develop a relationship with your land. And that's how it works. That's the exchange.
13 wild weeds, not hard to learn. Yeah. And then you'll have wealth, true wealth.
True wealth, that's right.
Awesome. Thanks so much,
Thank
Katrina.
you too,
Yeah.
Marjory.
We'll see you on the next video.
Okay.
Bye.
Thanks.
The Grow Network is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth via homegrown food. Learn how to make your own homemade painkiller from wild plants growing in your yard at homemadepainkiller.com.